Okay, so today I am at a home inspection with one of my preferred inspectors. There's Phil White with White House Inspection. Excellent job. We've been doing this for years. Found a beautiful home for my clients. We're right now just going over the summary of the inspection, but so far so good, and we knew it just looking at this house. The homeowner's pride is incredible. I'll show you a little bit of the house here. Look at this bathroom. Just stunning. Back down the hall. That's my buyers. You're here with Matt. Here's the master. Here's the master bath. Just stunning. This owner did a beautiful job, and I will cap this off by showing you the pool area. It looks like Caesar's Palace. Just beautiful. But anyway, a home inspection is crucial, and I highly recommend it. And hope you all have a good day. If you need any help with real estate, I'm here. This is Tony with Coldwell Banker Paradise. Bye.